Hey guys, back again on my channel. Just wanted to do a quick video here to show you what's going on. I've been, uh, I've showed this off in a previous build video when I built this system together. As many of you have seen in that video, I'm running a 3rd generation Intel Core i3 3450 3.4 gigahertz dual core. Also running a Gigabyte B75M D3H motherboard with 8 gigs of Corsair Vengeance DDR3 RAM, and I've got an OCZ Mod Extreme power supply, 700 watt power supply. Then I have 2 hard drives right here. I've got the Seagate Barracuda 2 terabyte 7200 RPM hard drive, and then down here is my backup drive, which I store videos and capture footage on, which is the Western Digital Caviar Blue 320 gigabyte SATA hard drive, 7200 RPM as well. And then when I upgraded my graphics card back in 2015, I had decided to put the sound card back in. The sound card is a Creative Labs Sound Blaster X5 5.1 extreme fidelity sound card. Actually works pretty good. I actually output this through the high def TV as you'd seen in the original video. And in that video, I had showed you I was running the Gigabyte R7 260X 2 gigabyte GDDR5 factory overclock WindForce graphics card. And I had mentioned in previous videos that I was getting graphic artifacting with that card. So I went ahead and I replaced that card just last year. I picked up this EVGA GeForce GTX 970 SS. This is the SSC version. This has the dual BIOS switch right here for the fan speeds. Right now it's set to stock, and I can switch it to custom if I wanted to. And this is one of this, as you can tell, this is actually pretty long. This is the ACX 2.0 Plus version of the super clocked GTX 970. Originally, I had the hard drive sitting right about here. I had this hard drive up here, and then the other one was right about where this one is now. But since I got this GTX 970, and you see how long it is, the older versions of this, the ones that has the ACX 2.0 and not the 2.0 Plus, are actually a little bit shorter than this one is. But when I got this card, I ordered this card on Black Friday from EVGA. It was a B stock. So pretty much what a B stock is somebody bought the card brand new, probably bought it like from EVGA or Amazon or Newegg. They bought the card, they used it for maybe a few months, and then when the GTX 1070s or 1080, when those came out, they probably sent that back in to trade up from a 970 to a 1070 or a 1080. So what they do is EVGA will take a trade in. As long as it's an EVGA card, they will take the trade in. If it's a 970 and you wanted to get a 1070, or if you had the 980 classified and you wanted to get a 1080, you could trade that in as long as you bought it within a certain time frame. And you can trade in. They give you, I think they give you like a $40 or $50 discount or something off of the brand new one if you trade in. And then what EVGA does, they go through, they refurbish the card, they redo it, they check it, they test it, they run it, make sure everything's working good, and then they turn around and they resell it in B stock for a lower price. Well, this card had retailed for, on B stock, if I remember, I think it was over $200. It was over $200. Arcade Main Machine has the For the Win version of the 970 from EVGA. So his actually has the back plate. Let's see if I can show you. Mine's is the SSC. It does not have the back plate, but I can get a back plate for it. I have found a store online that does have the back plate for this, the exact back plate that I need, and I'm hopefully going to get that soon. Because there's 2 different versions, and this one is the longer version, so I found out what the back plate is. and I've got that bookmark, so hopefully I'll get that ordered. But anyway, they had this card for $179. It was 180 on Black Friday, and I went ahead and ordered it. It came about a week later, and then I was able to get a $30 mail-in rebate from EVGA, which I don't know if it was tied to the lawsuit with Nvidia and the 970's VRAM issue, where there was a class action lawsuit about the 970's 4 gigs of VRAM, how it was structured on the Maxwell. I don't get into the whole bullshit about that. I don't really give a damn about that. I mean, there's videos that talk about it. There's Jay's 2 cents videos that talks about that. There's one of his tech tips that talks about that, about the VRAM issue. But what it does, it's 3.5 gigs on the high speed memory, and then there's another 500 meg on a slower memory bus. But like I said, for the games I play Euro Truck Simulator 2, American Truck Simulator, I play World of Warships, and I play Star Trek Online. Those games, with the exception of Euro Truck and American Truck Simulator, World of Warships and Star Trek Online are not too intensive for this card. So 4 gigs of GDDR VRAM is actually enough for me to run those games. And I'm running those on high settings. And then plus 2, you've seen 2 of my videos from World of Warships. I'm actually using NVIDIA Shadowplay to capture those videos. So with that, the game footage with that, because of this card here. So just wanted to show you my card. I know Arcade Main Machine showed off his card, and well, this is mine. The EVGA GeForce GTX 970 SSC Super Clock ACX 2.0 Plus. It doesn't even bottleneck my CPU at any point. I don't notice any CPU bottleneck from it. So kicking strong, and it's going to kick strong for me. It's doing exactly what I need. I'm very happy about it. I'm not worried about running SLI or anything, because this motherboard that I have is actually Crossfire supported. It's not SLI supported. I don't really need SLI. I don't need to have 2 graphics cards doing the same job. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Gonna have more videos soon. And this is Bufferkid saying be cool and see you, and I will see you around in either World of Warships or Star Trek Online, or even some Euro Truck. Take care, everybody.